Hey everybody, Chris Negley with Elegant Estates. I'm out here stripping this deck today. Wanted to do a quick video to show you guys what we mean when we say you need to do a splash test to determine whether or not you still have sealer left on your deck before a restain. Alright, so you can see we've already started stripping this deck here. Now, this particular deck had the same color stain and sealer on it than the natural color of the wood is wet. So if you were to look at this when it was stained, it would look like this color. So it makes it really difficult when you're stripping the deck to do a better stain. The issue becomes everything looks the same color, so how do you determine whether there's stain on there or not? So what we do is we do a splash test, and I wetted this down, and you can tell right here more predominantly, right here there's a lot of beading with the water, and right here not so much. So you can see when we did these steps, we stripped a little bit right here, so all of this stain and sealer started coming off. This still has functioning sealer on it because it's starting to bead up. So if you're wondering, prior to us getting in and washing or staining and sealing the decks, you can do a splash test to determine if there's still existing sealer on there. If there is, that needs to come off prior to stain and seal, unless we're just simply cleaning it and doing a restain with the exact same material that is already on there. So just a quick little video on splash testing your wood.